You want to create sofa like this in minutes, follow the tutorial. Add in a plane, scale it. Move it a little above the ground. Extrude it for seat. Add 2 loop cuts in Y direction, scale it in Y axis to create a boundary. Do same for X axis too. Now we have faces for hand and back supporter, extrude them out. Press Ctrl 3 to add subsurf modifier. Make the edges sharp but a little soft and rounded by adding edge loops near edges. Add another plane above the seat for sitting cushion, scale it, and extrude it. Add subsurf modifier, and then add loop cuts to make edges soft and rounded. Now subdivide the upper face, select all 4 and right-click, then poke faces. Then select all the center vertices in vertex mode, add a little bevel by pressing Ctrl, Shift and B. Now move those beveled faces a little bit downward. Position it in the side and add array modifier. Do same for back cushions, just with a smaller size. Rotate it and adjust it in the back and add same array modifier. You can link modifier by selecting both and Ctrl L, link modifier. Now material time, add any color that fits your scene, just remember to decrease roughness and increase specular value. For legs, just use a simple cylinder and mirror it around the sofa base in X and Y axis. Your sofa is ready to be added in any scene. Enjoy modeling, see you in the next.